Hello guys, today we have to solve a very nice question, USMS Olympiad question. We have to find the value of x, right? So let's start it. We have to find the value of x. We have 1 over x 27 raised to the power x. We have to find the value of x. So if we take 1 over x root on both sides, we can solve this question, right? Take 1 over x root on both sides. 1 over x, so take 1 over x root. 27 x 1 over x. Now write left hand side as it is no change, but here we can write 27 x multiply with 1 over x. X multiply over 1 over x, right? So this x and this will cancel each other. We will be left with 27. Now we can write 27 in the form of 3 raised to the power 3. If you multiply 3 times, we get 27. So if you see closely, here we have 1 over x raised to the power 1 over x. Means these two terms are same. Here these two terms are also same. We can say that 1 over x is equal to 3, right? Now from this equation we can find the value of x. 1 over x we can write 3 over 1. Now take reciprocal of both sides. It will become x over 1 is equal to 1 over 3. In next step, eliminate x, we will be left with 1 over 3. So this is the value of x. I hope you have enjoyed this question. If you like my channel, please subscribe it and share this video with your friends. Thank you.